If you're looking for a high-end machining solution and you're visiting MACH 2022, make sure that you visit NCMT. We're going to find out exactly what they're showing at MACH 2022. Scott, the amount of machines that you've sold into the UK and Ireland of the Makino EDM is fantastic. Now, MACH is upon us. You've got a number of machines that you're actually going from the EDM range. What are they?
Morning, Mark. Yes, so as you rightly said, obviously MACH is upon us. We're really looking forward to it here at NCMT. So the machine we're stood in front of at the moment is the Makino U3i wire EDM machine, complemented with its hyper-eye control, a Protect plate for anti-rust. Probably a little bit on the accurate side of things for the machine, so looking at a 2 to 3 micron machine. Moving into areas of medical and very high accuracy work, giving you a surface finish of 0.1 RA with its crystal machining.
Now, talking about the best machines in the world, you're also taking one of the quickest machines in the world, the U6 Extreme.
Yeah, not one of the quickest, Mark, it's the quickest machine in the world. The U6 Heat Extreme offers 0.4 wire. The reason it can use the 0.4 wire is the rigidity of the machine. The heat technology on board with the high pressure flushing pumps that cool the wire during the EDM process, they allow you to push the wire more, and sometimes you're getting 2 to 3 times faster cutting speeds.
Over and above the wire machines, you've also got the sink machine, but you've also got the drilling machine as well, haven't you?
We have. We've got a Makino BX3 fast hole drill machine, fully submergible, something that we don't see on the market very much with regards to obviously your blade and vein drilling, enabling the part to be cooled, giving you a better quality of hole. The machine itself offers a 700mm technology for its tubes. That then obviously stops you from having to change your electrode as much. A full ATC, 24 ATC, and 8 ATC or guide changing units, so multiple holes that can be drilled in the same component.
So very accurate machines that you're taking from the EDM machines, but not just EDM, but also 5-axis in Makino.
Also 5-axis from obviously that side of things. We're also taking the D200Z, a very high accurate, rigid structured milling machine, 5-axis.
Now, many engineers will know NCMT for Makino, but also Okuma. Now, you're taking a lot of machines from 5-axis to lathes, but also with automation in mind.
Yeah, on the stand at the MACH exhibition will be a standroid, an armroid, obviously part loading, a gantry loading system on one of our lathes. We're taking an Okuma M460 5-axis milling machine. So NCMT are very well known for providing turnkey solutions, and you'll be able to see the full extent of what we are capable of. And as I've mentioned, all our experts will be on each machine to discuss any questions that you have on the brand.
And just to remind engineers that are visiting MACH, what stand numbers are you on?
So we're in Hall 19, we're on stand number 120 and 130, and we'd love you to visit.
And if you can't make MACH, the beauty of MTDCNC, we are bringing you live the NCMT stands on Tuesday morning and also Wednesday morning, both Okuma and Makino. So if you can't make the show, you can actually see their technology and talk to these guys after the event.